What is going on, guys? So I am I'm at the spot. Haven't been really fishing here much in a little while, and we're gonna give it a shot, although kind of worried about ticks because that's what you're gonna expect this time of year. So I guess we'll have to see how this goes. Any luck? Oh, you just got out here? But you've caught fish out here, yeah? You? Oh, okay. They should be, considering that we're done with these cold fronts for the most part. Yeah, they should be really feeding, which is why I'm. No, just weeds. I thought I did for a second there. Caught hold of the little spinner, but. Okay, there's a big dead bluegill. There's a couple of bluegill, okay. Why are you flying above me? Do you not want me going that way? Oh no! Wow. Okay, so he broke that off. Damn. He broke off the other half of that, and I thought that was a bite. It felt like a bite, which is... That's a fish. Feels good. Feels decent. But could be in grass. Yep. Okay. Nice. He's finicky with it. Wow. Okay. So guys, I have a little small trailing hook on this spinnerbait, and he just barely had that. So, you know, that's interesting and cool. Nice. All right, well, alrighty, guys. It's number one. Oh, look at him go. He's going back out. All right, let's get back out there. It's amazing how he really just barely had that. Yeah, it's actually, the fact that I'm not seeing any bluegill is what's a shocker. Yeah. Yeah.
I'll let you know when I'm out there. We'll probably
bet. Cause I definitely, yeah, like I said, that's the one thing I want is a good 40 to 50 pound flathead if possible. Okay. All right, man, I'll catch you.
I'm gonna run over here.
Dude.
Literally go down that side and just go on the back corner over there.
Okay. Bro, but look at this lipless crankbait, bro. Like,
yeah, I got one like that.
That was out of mystery tackle box. I was like, bro, this looks fire. Got it? Nice. Yeah, I saw. I watched the hook set. So come here. Yeah, why are you still giving birth?
I'm just over here laying.
Oh. Cause you had a bad day. You went down. So are you okay? You know, sometimes things happen, and you know, it's just. Yeah. I don't know if I sent it to you, and I don't know if I can find it again, but it was like a Star Wars meme, I guess. This guy had like poured like water like in his girl's like ear or something, or on her neck or something. Alex, you swore. I lied. Every time I think about that, I just break out laughing. Like, people probably think I'm insane when I'm out fishing. And then they did like a random thing of like the 50-50 money. And some have 15, some have 20, some have 25, I think, or something like that. Yeah. Tighten that drag a little bit. Look at him. He's just there. Alrighty, guys. Number 2 of the day. If this makes a video. Bye-bye. He was gone immediately. I can't believe it. I forgot to turn the camera back up and back. Alrighty, guys. I gotta head out. But yeah, caught a few. Had some fun with Ryan. Yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video as always. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. And yeah, as always, stay safe, tight lines. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.